Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for Money Level Talks. And today I wanted to talk to y'all about something great. And this is for all my millennials, innovators. Today we have an extraordinary topic that will revolutionize your path to financial success. And I want to ask you, are you ready to unlock your potential? Where I want you to pay close attention because we have a game-changing word for you. Before we dive into this powerful word, I just want to set the stage. As millennials, we often find ourselves navigating through this complex world, juggling student loans, high living costs, and ever-evolving job market, but fear not. Today, I'm going to unveil the secret that can alter your financial destiny. It's just one single word that's the key to unlock prosperity. So what's that word that can transfer your life? It's something that we hear every day, but we rarely harness it for its true power. And that word is investments. Investments, ladies and gentlemen, is a catalyst for long-term financial growth. It's not just about money. It's not about buying cars. It's not about getting Gucci, Louis, Fendi, Prada. It's about investing in yourself and your dreams and in your future. Now, let me explore the different type of investments you can get into. Firstly, there's investing in your education. And a lot of people don't think, and there's a narrative that's been portrayed that student loans and all this, but if you invest in your education, you'll be able to get a better job. You'll be able to learn new things, learn investment, how to start a business. And continuously to upskilling yourself open doors to higher paying opportunities and enhancing your chances for success. Next, there's investment in your health, prioritizing fitness, healthy body, and mind of invaluable assets. You know what I mean? Eating right, taking your greens every day, drinking a protein shake. Now, I also want to talk about financial investments. Traditional revenues like stocks, bonds, and real estate have proven to generate substantial revenues over time. But I don't want you to limit yourself to conventional, considering exploring innovative investment opportunities such as cryptocurrency, peer-to-peer lending, and even starting your own business. Now, I want us to dive into the most inspiring aspect of investment. This one thing is really what's going to get you rich over time, and to pass on for generation and the generations and the generation. As millennial, we have a unique advantage. We have time. You're young enough to start today so you can set your future up for your kids and for your future generations. You think about the Rothschilds, the Vanderbilts, and all of these, and they are going to do this one key thing about investing. The earlier we start investing, the more time our money has to grow and compound over the years. Harnessing in that power of compound interest can exponentially multiply our wealth. So I don't want you to delay. I want you to start investing today. There's many apps out here. M1 Finance, Robinhood, Moomoo, you name it is there. If you're still skeptical, there's a ton of people on YouTube, ton of millennials who are embracing the power of investment and compound interest. And you'll witness great results. Now, like and subscribe, share this content, and tell me what you think. So the power word for today that's going to make you rich, two words actually, is investments and compound interest. I want y'all to thank you for tuning in to Money Level Talks. And stay blessed and stay warm. Peace.